not expecting to film today, but I got the Allure beauty box in the mail, so we're going to do the unboxing. The Allure beauty box is $15 a month. This is my third box, I think, or my fourth. And you know what's weird? They've only been charging me $10, so $10.80, which is odd. I'm not really sure why, but they tell you your first box is $10, so after that it's supposed to be $15, but anyway, so I'm saving $5. Go figure, right? This is April of 2019. This is how it comes. It's got the beauty guide in it, which is pretty much everything that they offer for the month. Some of the products in there will be ones that you didn't get that somebody else did. There's a scratch-off ticket in here. May theme beauty innovations 7 game changers. Huh, that's new. But let's get to what's in here. I see already Anastasia. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay. The first bag I liked a lot. The second one, it was all right. The third one, pretty good. Let's see. It's a clear bag this month. Wow. We have got phenomenal 10 days organic tan infused cloth. There's 2 of them. So basically this is a self tanner, which I'm going to have to do a video on because I want to know if it works. There are too many self tanners out there that leave you orange, and that's why some of us still bake in the sun when we shouldn't. Let's see what it cost, which we'll go to our beauty guide to do. $25 for a pack of 8, $39 for a pack of 16. And you can get it at Ulta, and they give you a code to get 20% off, which is kind of cool. So I have 2 of them. That works for me. We're going to try it out. We got Farewell Frizz Briago Blow Dry Perfection and Heat Protectant Cream. It says no harsh sulfates or anything like that. Which for me, if you shampoo your hair, I don't use any shampoo with sulfates. And I don't know if you know this or not, but you only have to actually shampoo the first 2 inches of your head because that's where the oil builds up and that's where your hair will tend to get greasy. And at first when I heard that, I was like, what? But when you have put your hair through so much styling and so many chemicals, you want to do whatever you can to not have it damaged, and it actually works. I mean, it looks like my whole head's been shampooed. I don't have to worry about it unless I have product in my hair. I don't have to wash every little strand, just the first 2 inches. Okay, Natasha Denona eyeshadow. Let's see what it looks like. And let's see the price. Have you guys gotten the Allure beauty box yet? I know not everyone has it yet. Ooh, this is really cute. Okay, so it's a single eyeshadow. It's a really nice bronze color. I'm thinking for the summer that would be great. Let's just take a look. Look at that. Let's swatch it. Oh, wow. This would look amazing on dark skin. Wow. Okay, so I'm liking that a lot. I'm going to have to get a whole lot darker. Look at that. Whew. Okay. That is a $27 eyeshadow. Wow. Okay. We have an Anastasia liquid lip. Oh my god, in Pure Hollywood. This is a nude. I'm so excited. Look at that. Let's swatch it next to this. Look, I'm loving it. That is a really nice shade. I'm loving it. Oh, thank goodness. Okay. I'm really liking the colors that the beauty subscriptions are giving me lately. It's pretty amazing. Let me get a makeup wipe and wipe this stuff off. I see what looks like an eyeliner. And it looks like an eyeliner pencil. Let me see. Laura Geller Incredible Waterproof Gel Liner in Deep Purple. All right, I'm going to take my other hand. That is deep purple. And you know what? I've been wanting a purple eyeliner. I've been using the gel in the pot, and I'm thinking this will probably do the same. So, cool. Yay! Let's see what it retails for. $22. Wow. Okay, and then we've got a brush. It's Luxie. I do love Luxie brushes. It looks like a pencil brush. It is the Luxie 231 Small Tapered Blending. Ooh, I'm liking it. So more of a crease brush, I guess. All right, let's see. I have a lot of brushes, and I recently rearranged my room. I'm eventually going to show you guys everything. Okay, this is a $12 brush, and it's their Rose Gold collection. I do like them. They're pretty, and I use them a lot of the time. Okay, well, that is what's in. Oh, wait, we've got to scratch her card. I really am liking this. I did go to TJ Maxx today, and I picked up a Stila eyeshadow. The liquid eyeshadows, because it was only $8.99. Crazy, right? $8.99. And I've been wanting one for a while now. Everybody has talked. I feel like I'm behind on some of these things. Talked about these. Look how pretty that is. This is another great color for the summer. Does it have a scent? Not really. This is Enchantress. Okay. That didn't come in my Allure box. That was just something I got at TJ Maxx. Okay, so now let's see. What you're going to want to see this. We're giving you an exclusive sneak peek at all of our favorite brands coming up in the May Allure Beauty Blocks lineup scratch off to reveal. Okay, so why do I have to scratch it? Why didn't they just tell me? Like, seriously? I'm sitting here scratching this with my fingernail. And I don't even think it's working. I don't think I have a coin with me. Keys, maybe? Nope, I left everything out there. All right. This is not really working. I bet you I've got a coin over here. Let's get one, shall we? I just cleaned everything up recently, so my room looks a lot different. Okay, now maybe we can get down to this. All right, much better. What do you think it's gonna be? I'm in love with skincare. I'm actually waiting on my next Vox box too. If you guys are not familiar with Influencer, if you get on there and do reviews on the products you use, they will send you a box full of free stuff for you to review and post on your social media. And I absolutely love it. I have a video, my first Vox box, if you guys want to watch it. And I cannot wait till I get my second. Cannot wait. Okay. They really, really made this quite difficult to scratch. Okay. Over $69 value. I think that says 69. It looks like, God, I can't even see it. It's so tiny. Laritzi, a lip gloss. L-U-E by Jean Sayo. It looks like some skincare, some lip glosses. What? And again, sometimes like one person will get one brand, another person will get another brand. Model company, another one. Look at that. Like, it's so hard to really see. But that's what's in May. New thing. All right, I'm going to end this video here. I will be doing another one shortly on what I have been using to stay young. And I think I have already let you guys know what that is. But if you notice at this point, I've increased what I'm using and I'm starting to lose weight. Kind of neat. Especially right before summer, so stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching. If you hear my kids in the background, I apologize. I have a monitor for my disabled daughter, and right now her nurse is here, and another one of their playmates is here, and my older daughter's probably chasing him, and that is what you hear. But anyhow, you have a wonderful day, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.